And the last few things we're going to do is I'm going to show you the navigation. So we're going to go over here to online store, click down on navigation, and we're going to go into footer menu. So this is where we're going to add our privacy policy, our refund policy, and our terms of service. So what we're going to want to do is add menu item, and we're going to look for, let's see, we're going to go to pages. Whoops. Policies. We're going to go to policies, and we're going to do privacy policy, add. We're going to go to policies, refund policy, add, and we're going to go to terms of service, add. And we're going to save this menu, and we're going to exit out, and we're going to take a look and make sure that updated on our website. So if you ever want to preview your store, you can click this little eye right here, and it'll load a previewed version of your store. And if we scroll down to the footer, we'll see those right there, which looks great. So search, privacy policy, refund policy. We can click on one of these, and we're all set up. Awesome.